I'm curious that you have successful entrepreneurs who had nothing when they were children, and that creates a drive in them to go out into the world and, earn money and get some level of success. So that drive helps them to some degree because they're acquiring money, but is that actually limiting the level of success they can have because it comes from a negative relationship with money in their childhood?
It's a very interesting question. So, what this negative charge of that money is bad and sad does for most people is that it creates a drivenness. And that drivenness just gets people going to do things, action after action, project after project, deal after deal, to keep getting more and more and more money. And as they start accumulating money, they don't have the space to really enjoy it and experience joy and happiness that goes with money. So they become accumulators of money and they experience scarcity irrespective of how much money they have. So on balance, it's really not about how much money you have or you don't have. On balance, the question really boils down to, do you have freedom in the area of money? Are you free when you have money? Are you free when you don't have money? And unless there's freedom in the area of money, this whole notion of joy in life is always going to remain elusive. When you have money, you want more. When you don't have money, so it's a kind of a question which doesn't have an answer. The question here is to look at the dynamic of money and what is our experience, what is our relationship with money. And if our relationship with money really, really boils down to that money is bad and sad, then perhaps we need to do something to gain freedom from that. Because when we gain freedom in that area, then suddenly there's a surplus of everything. There's a surplus, there's an ease with which money comes into our life, an ease with which it stays with us, and an ease with which we enjoy what money can do for us.